In today's lesson, you will learn about polynomial and operation on polynomials. So, what is a polynomial? The algebraic expression in which powers of variables or whole numbers is called a polynomial. For example, 4x plus 1 is a polynomial and 6x squared plus 2x is also polynomial, whereas 1 divided by 3xy isn't a polynomial, because if we look at its power, the power of the variables, they are negative numbers which are not whole numbers, so this term is not a polynomial. Similarly, 6x minus square isn't a polynomial also. So these both are polynomials and these both aren't polynomials. Now some polynomials have special names like monomial, binomial, trinomial. A polynomial consisting of only one term is called a monomial. For example, 5x is a monomial and 3xyz is also a monomial, etc. Binomials are polynomials consisting of two terms. For example, x plus y or 2x plus 4y square. These are called binomials, while trinomials are consisting of three terms. For example, we have 2x squared plus x plus 1. This is a trinomial. And 3x plus 4y plus 8z is also a trinomial. Now, what is the degree of polynomial? So, the degree of a polynomial is the greatest degree among all the degrees of all the terms in the polynomial. To find the degree of a polynomial, you must find the degree of each term. For example, if we have a polynomial is 8x cubed y square plus 3xy square plus y square plus x, and we want to find the degree of this polynomial. So now we will have to find the degree of each term separately. Like first we have to find the degree of 8x cubed y square. So 8x cubed y square equals 3 plus 2, the degree of y and the degree of 3, which is 3 plus 2 equals 5. Now 3x y square equals degree of x is 1 plus degree of y is 2, which is 3, and now degree of y square is 2, which is 2, and degree of x is 1, which is 1. So since the 5 is the greatest degree of this whole polynomial, therefore degree of the given polynomial is 5. Now there is a small quiz for you people. Solve this, pause the video and solve these polynomials. Find the degree of these polynomials and take a picture of that and post in the comment section below, and I will tell you if you are right or wrong. Now, polynomials of various degrees. Polynomials with respect to their degrees also have special names. For example, we have linear polynomials, we have quadratic polynomials, we have cubic polynomials, and we have biquadratic polynomials. So what is a linear polynomial? So linear polynomial is a polynomial of degree 1. For example, we have a polynomial that is 7x plus 4y plus 8, or we have 2x minus 9. These are called linear polynomials because these have degree of 1. Now we have another type of polynomial with respect to the degree, and those are called quadratic polynomials. Quadratic polynomial is a polynomial of degree 2. For example, uh, 3xy plus 5, or 2xy plus 4y square, etc. Such polynomials are called quadratic polynomials because their degree is 2. 1 plus 1 equals 2, or 1 plus 1 equals 2, or we have a straight away 2 here. Another one is cubic polynomials. Cubic polynomials are polynomials of degree 3. For example, we have a polynomial 8x square y plus 7, or we have another type of polynomial that is 2x square y plus 9x cube, etc. Such polynomials are called cubic polynomials. Another one is biquadratic polynomial. A polynomial of degree 4 is called biquadratic. For example, 9x square y square plus 7, or 4xy cube plus 11x minus 7, etc. Such polynomials are called biquadratic polynomials.